Oh, really?
I mean, really, would you rub a wire brush all over a sacred artifact?
Yeah, you ruined the
To make it
texture.
look better, yeah.
Oh my god.
You ruined the texture of it, Mom.
Oh, what are those things falling off of it?
There's
Paint. Paint.
and not just the paint.
Yeah, but you were
also
scrubbing them.
It's also the nice, fine, smooth,
Why don't you get some acetone at least?
I know what I'm doing.
It would strip it faster.
I'm not stripping it.
She likes to make it difficult.
I'm just
Yeah.
taking off the loose paint.
Gotta overcomplicate it, eh? You know, there's tools like you can get that you can, like a
Dude.
wire wheel for a drill, for one. Orbital sander, probably not as good for texture.
Honestly, DIY, you can get, we have some drills in our garage, and you can honestly just do some DIY with that. Like, that would just make the whole thing easier. I don't know, my mom likes to make things difficult.